SEAL Team 2, 5 clicks out, approaching perimeter. Over.
Yeah, sweep the area and proceed with caution.
SATCOM to 2 actual, tread lightly and check 6. Over.
All right, guys, clear perimeter.
Clear.
Move. SATCOM, this is 2 actual.
We have visual on impact site. Anytime
We'll be back and forth with intel.
Roger that, 2 actual. Over.
Keep your heads on a swivel. Things are gonna get hairy.
Don't soil your diaper, tits, Tex. I got your 6.
Copy that.
Let's move on. Let's go.
Clear.
Clear. Clear.
SATCOM.
moving in on visual. We're going silent. Copy?
Roger that, 2 actual.
Over and out.
All right, let's go.
Incoming! Fire! Take cover! SATCOM!
Unit 2, this is SATCOM. I read you. What the hell is going on?
Watch your back! Watch your back! I can't see anything!
Unit 2, this is SATCOM. What's happening? Over.
SATCOM! Fire! 2 actual! We under fire! Man down! Man down! Firing!
Unit 2, this is SATCOM. What are you seeing? Over.
SATCOM, this is Unit 2. We're taking heavy fire from unseen insurgents. We need backup ASAP. Do you copy?
Unit 2, do you read me? What's your 20? Over.
SATCOM, do you copy? We need to retreat.
Unit 2, this is SATCOM. I read you. Do you hear me? Over. Unit 2, again, this is SATCOM. Over. Shit. Lieutenant Colonel Adrian.
Colonel Brooks, what's going on?
I was working SATCOM support for Unit 2.
Recon mission, the
Yes, sir.
crash bird.
They moved in radio silent, and about 1 minute later, I received communication that they were under fire. SATCOM went dead about 30, 40 seconds ago. I wasn't able to hail anyone, and
And what?
The body scan is a negative, sir. They're all down.
Show me. Come on.
All their body monitors are dead, except for Hobbs.
This was the last transmission that came through.
Yes, sir. At 10:17.
It's gonna be a long day. Long day. Sir.
Adrian, what can I help you with?
Unit 2 is now down. They're offline.
Oh, jeez. I was worried this was going to go sideways. Well, that's unfortunate, but we're just going to have to sit it out until our 2nd Unit SEAL team goes in for its scheduled recon.
Sir, with all due respect, I'm not going to be available for 5 hours.
Look, I am aware of that, Lieutenant Colonel.
Sir, intel tells us that insurgents regularly patrol that area.
What do you propose we do?
Propose that we send a chopper to scan for survivors. It would only take about...
Wait. Lieutenant Colonel Adrian, you know that area is a strict no-fly zone. I mean, we're as close to enemy lines as we could legally be at this second.
We please arrange for a flyby.
I am sorry, soldier. We just can't risk it politically. Now, let me tell you something. I am not going to explain how we managed to get a chopper shot down behind enemy lines.
Permission to request to put together a team. I just need 5 or 7 good men.
All right, listen.
I've got men out there that I trust with my life.
All right,
you just get me.
Listen to me. Lieutenant Colonel, listen. Unit 2 is an elite Black Ops SEAL team. It's the best we have in country. Now, look, I understand you're no stranger to Black Ops missions, okay? But the men in this company are enlisted.
Sir, there's men...
No, enlisted.
Sir, there's...
Rank and file. Now, you are going to wait, like the rest of us, for that recon team in 5 hours. Is there anything else you need, Lieutenant Colonel? Dismissed.
Carter. If I was to ask you to go AWOL to go get Unit 2...
You give the word, Cap, I'm there. I'm not about to let those men die out there alone.
Give me 1033 ASAP.
Got it.
Make sure that you make Brooks part of you.
Paul Brooks?
Yes, we need a tech. We don't have a choice. I know the story. Okay, I get it. I understand, but I also know he's ready to go back inside. Have I ever guided you wrong?
No, sir.
No. All right.
Of course, Cap. To hell and back.
First off, I want to thank you all for being here. What I'm about to tell you does not leave this tent. Now, of course, I trust you all. What I'm about to say is highly unsanctioned and court-martial potential. This morning, Unit 2 went out on recon. They are now dark. Colonel's made it crystal clear he's not going to authorize any backup for any rescue mission. Now, you all know those SEALs. And Ops' life support monitor is still reading a heartbeat. Which is why I'll be damned that I leave them out there high and dry.
Exactly what are you proposing, sir?
What I'm proposing is that we hump it to them. Right now. Right now. They need help like yesterday. And no one's gonna help in time. Now, I realize what I'm asking you. I get it. Most of you ran with me on these missions before, so you know I expect you all to come back with me. But you might not.
But these guys aren't even special ops. I mean, we're not even a unit.
No, we're not, but we're with the best damn chance I got right now. And I hope that's enough.
There's no option. It's the right thing to do, guys. I'm with you, Cap.
I'm in.
All in?
Sir, yes, sir.
All right. Grab your gear. We're going to push in 30 minutes.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it.
All the ladies always got to stick together.
You broads on the same cycle yet?
We've heard it all a million times.
I don't know what y'all are being so defensive about. Carter and I have been on the same cycle for 3 years now.
Because y'all got low T.
Yeah, that's right, sugar. I got the lowest T around. Might as well give me a Guinness Book of World Record for testosterone deficiency.
Don't worry, Pete. One day a girl will actually like you, despite your personality.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Well, you all to it. You yammering back there?
Oh, Carter. Don't even get me started on that guy. That guy's got so much tea. Might as well call him Mr. T.
Damn right they do.
Let him know, Carter.
How you doing back there, Brooksy?
I'm good, Plant. I'm doing fine.
Well, you look like crap. You nervous about being out in the field again?
Nope. Why, are you?
Psst, come on, man. I was born for this. Look, we all been stuck in SATCOM, spent some time out of action, but you belong there. We all know about your little problem.
Plant, why you still talking to the spaz?
Just killing time, baby.
You that hard up for entertainment, you gotta go and pester Brooks?
Oh, yeah, come on.
Skarloff, you heard about what Brooks did at the PX?
Yeah, man. I heard you was wicking the hell out just trying to buy a candy bar or something.
It's bad enough that the man spazzes up every time he throws a fit in combat. But we're chilling? What's that about, huh?
You had PTSD training, right?
Yeah?
I get anxiety attacks. I can't control when they happen. They just sneak up on you sometimes.
Okay, but you know what else is sneaking up on you? It's troops. Enemy troops, insurgents.
Damn right.
So what are you gonna do about that?
Yeah, I'm aware, Molloy.
We're about 5 minutes from the site, so we'll be on the tree line soon. Good news is, we'll be at a sight line of any damn sniper. Unless, of course, one of those fuckers pops up from another tree. Right, Carter?
Goddamn right, sir.
I realize that none of you enlisted for any black ops. In which case, you sure in the hell didn't think you're gonna wake up going AWOL this morning, so thank you. When shit starts to go sideways out there, just remember why we are out there. 1, figure out what the hell happened to Unit 2. 2, get eyes on whatever aircraft crashed, get photos of it. A little intel that we have suggests that it's highly experimental, in which case we need as much info as we can. So we need to figure out what its capabilities are, what they may plan to do with it, and why the damn thing crashed in the first place. And if all else fails, we at least have to get photos back to HQ. It's very important that you keep your eyes up and watch your 6. Plan, you good back there?
All clear.
Alrighty. Easy. Do not touch that. Got her. That way.
Gotcha.
Move out. Yeah, good, Brooks.
Yeah, I'm good, Commander.
You get anything?
Everything's 5 by 5, sir.
Yeah. I've been to talk to you about.
I know.
But I want to tell you that
I'm fine, Commander. I'm here to be your tech expert and lead tactician, and that's exactly what I'm going to be.
Well, if you guys give you any shit, just come to me, okay?
There won't be any reason, sir.
Let's kick the tires.
You heard the man. Let's keep moving. Eyes up. Be ready for anything.
Falk, Alvarez.
It's just a snake. You shit yourself?
Yeah, twice. How about you?
1.5, maybe.
Take cover!
Anybody got eyes on the hostile? Over.
Nothing to the west, over.
I got nothing south. Over.
There's no movement here.
Everybody stay calm, keep cover. I want to make sure. Where the hell is this coming from?
I've got butt kiss. Over.
I'm not seeing a squad over here.
Hang in there, hang in there. Brooks, get over here! Hang in there. Shit!
That's all right, it's all right, Buckner. Let Buckner chill. Save your strength. I got you, all right? Hey, Buckner's still with us!
All right. Everybody stay tight.
It's all right. Save your strength. Come on. Come back, buddy. That's where the fire came from?
Relax, relax.
Buckner says the fire came from up north ahead. We need an end around.
Alvarez, Falk, fall in.
Sir, what about Buckner?
Brooks, how's he looking?
I think he's on his way out, Commander. He'd only slow us down.
Brooks, you piece of fucking garbage. There's no way we're leaving a soldier behind.
Enough! Brooks is right. We can't afford to drag him and dash by at the same time. Now the mission's still at hand. Move to the southeast, hug the tree line. Over. Let's go!
That's an order!
Nothing.
No movement anywhere.
Well, at least we know not the other ones out here. Stay frosty, everybody. Not that I need to tell you that. Just stay on high alert. Copy that?
Copy that.
Permission to go back for Buckner. Sir.
Mission denied. We need able bodies and only able bodied folks in the task at hand.
He's right here.
Permission denied, Plant. This is not a rescue mission. Not for the squad that had distress call and certainly not for us.
Buckner's dead. I just felt his pulse.
Bring it in. Bring it in. Bring it in, Plant. Plant. Bring it in. You push that shit out of your mind right now. The only thing that you need to keep in your mind is staying alive. Copy? Copy. All right. Fall back in line. All right.
Way too quiet.
Cap, what the hell are we doing here?
All right. That is our target. Whatever the hell made impact is definitely in that building now. We're gonna have to infiltrate. Oh. o'clock. Plant, you seeing this?
Yes, sir. 12 o'clock. I see it.
Brooks, what do you think?
It looks like some type of foreign tech, sir.
All right. Plant, Brooks, Malloy, Falk, I want you to head down to that area, scout it out, but be fast. Keep your eyes open for any movement. We need to find any traces at all of Unit 2. Keep your radios open at all times. I want to hear what you're hearing, in case you get out of earshot. Is that copy?
Copy.
All right. Keep your eyes up.
Captain, we're not seeing anything on our end yet. Over.
Yeah, all clear.
We got nothing on our end. Just stay frosty and let us know if you got any intel.
Copy.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of background radiation in this entire area.
What's that mean? Plutonium? Maybe they've got WMDs in there.
Nah, it's just I see a lot of traces of blood and...
What?
Gunpowder residue. There was a firefight here recently. At least that's what it looks like.
It means nothing. Our positions are still the same. Keep our eyes on the prize and keep our head up.
Copy.
What the hell is that? I don't know, that's just thing.
Shit, that guy's from the other side.
I mean, you think one of our guys did that before he got got?
I don't know.
What kind of rig is that? How do you even do something like that? Brooks? Got a guess?
No.
¡Ayúdame! ¡Ayúdame, por favor! ¡Ayúdame, por favor!
Shut this guy up, he's giving away our position.
Los extraterrestres están aquí.
What? What's he saying?
Keep saying something about aliens.
Aliens?
Alien soldiers, that they're near the building. It's not making any sense.
¡Soldados! ¡Soldados!
Shut him up!
¡Soldados!
You I'll be more than glad to shut his ass.
Stand down! Malloy!
Oye,
¡Ayúdame!
no estamos aquí para golpearte. Te ayudo para bajarse.
Por favor, bájame de aquí.
No queremos que te dar, nos queremos que te dar, porque lo que estamos a ver es que lo que está pasando. ¿Quién son los que son secuestrados? ¿Y quién tiene las armas que los hacen?
No voy a dar tu posición.
What? What did he say?
He told them he doesn't want to give our position away, but he said they already know we're here.
I mean, is he one of the deserters?
¿Quién te dice eso?
¡Los extraterrestres están aquí! ¡No importa! ¡Sácame de aquí!
He just keeps saying aliens, that they angered them and now they're here to destroy us.
Yeah, maybe he means aliens like foreigners, like a third party. Ask him are there Russian contractors that are busting in here or something?
You guys getting this? Over.
We heard it loud and clear. Just try to get some more intel on who the aggressor was. We gotta figure out what the hell we're dealing with. Over.
Tenemos que saber lo que está pasando. ¿Quién tiene los armas?
Todos.
¿Quién son los que son secuestrados? ¿Y quién tiene los armas?
Whoa, wait, what are you talking about? What did he say?
He said that we're gonna find our death here and we can't hope to fight this evil.
Have him shut the hell up and stop giving away our position, or I'm gonna put a bullet in his ass.
Give us a minute with him just so we can get enough intel.
Hey!
Shut him up! Shut up!
Easy.
I can't believe... Why'd you...
It had to be done.
Because he needed to. He was giving our positions away. Right, folk?
It had
No,
to be done.
not really.
We gotta keep moving.
Come on.
Commander?
What are we looking at, squad?
Some sort of tech ball in the oversized marble.
Back up.
Yo, pick it up.
Yo, what are you doing?
I'm just seeing.
Be careful now, be careful.
Could be attached to a bomb.
I ain't no damn mine. Do it, Malloy. Oh, shit. Malloy, you a fucking maniac, man.
Yeah, well, your mama wasn't complaining last night.
Real
Fuck
nice,
you,
Malloy.
man.
Hold it up if you would, just so I can get a reading.
I mean, are you sure this thing ain't radioactive?
No, I don't think.
Malloy, Malloy, Malloy.
Malloy. Malloy.
It's going in my arm!
Oh, shit. You need to get him back to the
Drop it.
I can't! It's in my arm!
Boy!
It's in my arm!
Whoa, whoa.
It's in my arm! Fuck! Brooks! Ah! Ah! Ah!
No.
Brooks. Brooks. Keep it together. Keep it together, goddammit. Brooks, get your ass into gear. Commander, I don't see where the fire is coming from. Do you have eyes on the hostiles?
Negative, Folk. I can't see over here. Good? Good?
No.
What's the status?
We found residue. Traces of the SEAL team. And that ball Malloy found, it wasn't connected to a mine, but it was dangerous all the same. It went inside him somehow.
Inside him.
It just sank into him. It just permeated right through his skin. I know how it sounds, but...
No.
Yeah.
It's just like he said, it just flew right into his skin and then kablooey.
From the inside out, whatever that shit was, man, it just went into his skin. Just fucking blew him apart, man.
I think it might have been some sort of mine or a perimeter device anyway, but when that thing blew Malloy apart, we started catching fire. I don't know where from, though.
Maybe from the building.
Yeah, most likely. There's not a lot of vantage points, so maybe on the other side of the jungle.
Doubtful. Bad angle and way too far.
Tech that went inside his skin.
Yes.
That doesn't make any sense.
That's exactly what happened.
What's the plan, Cap?
Plan's still the plan. We need to find out what happened to that plane, and we need to find out what the hell happened to SEAL team.
I say we call in airstrike, so they can bomb the fuck out of this jungle.
Yeah, me too, Plant, but unfortunately this is all we got.
What?
We shouldn't even be out here, all right? What we're gonna get, we'll be out for another 2 hours, and that's for extraction. This is all we got.
Damn it! How are we supposed to approach if they can hit us with something that heavy hitting from that far away?
Yeah, perhaps there's a blind side on the other side of the building. Maybe where the aircraft crashed.
It may have blocked their line of sight.
Yeah. Here's our approach. We're gonna move to that side of the tree line. We will stay as tight as possible to the jungle for as long as we can, till we get to what we hope is the blind side of that building. And no more tripping any damn alarms. We can't afford any more of that. I'm gonna keep as many of you alive as possible, all right? But you gotta do the same. You gotta be smart. You gotta keep watching each other's backs. And you shoot to kill anything that is not us. Let's kill all these sons of bitches. Yeah? Let's go. Brooks.
Yes, sir?
An explosive that you saw down there. Compact. And it permeated in his skin. Who do you think would be supplying that?
You mean like an unknown ally or something?
Or maybe even something outside. Contracting, mercenary.
You never seen it like this before? Not development?
If they are, I haven't heard a peep about it, sir. I mean, but there's very few countries are even close to something like that.
Very few countries like who?
Well, us, Russia, Israel, South Korea, Japan, India, maybe China or Germany, but I'm telling you, sir, any one of those would be a long shot.
Just humor me if you had to take a guess.
Well, Israel doesn't really make any sense both politically and technologically.
Right.
They're researching ballistics, not nanotechnology. If I had to take a guess, sir, I'd say Russia. I mean, they're the farthest along when it comes to compound explosives.
So you're saying there might be a alliance between Russia we know nothing about with technology that shouldn't exist. We're out in the jungle.
Oh, I mean, I guess it's possible. It's not likely, sir, but...
Much as we got to going right now, right?
Sure.
Carter! Take point.
Copy that.
How you holding up?
I'm okay, sir. A little better now I've had a second to focus on anything else.
Look, you're an important part of this mission. You know that, right? You just keep your mind right. You block all that shit out. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'll do my best, sir.
What you got in that goodie bag over there?
Perks of working the advanced tech division, I guess.
You think I haven't seen before?
I thought you've seen everything.
Man, the field, yeah.
Well, I got these babies right here. Built-in spectrum analyzer, infrared, night vision. All in these one pair of goggles. I got stuff more your speed, too. Flash bombs, handheld rocket launcher, compound explosives. I mean, if you need to make noise today, sir, I got you.
Good. Let's move out.
Yes, sir.
Brooks. Nice. What do you see?
It seems clear as best as I can tell, sir.
If they've got high ground, this is our best possible angle. They won't get a clear shot from the roof.
I'm just checking. Yeah, this is almost exactly where the distress call came from. 4 body monitors went dead about 100 yards around the perimeter, and the last body monitor went dead around there a minute later.
All right.
No bodies. Not just no bodies, no anything. Does it look like a firefight took place to anyone else here?
Not even a little.
What the hell does it mean if they take the bodies? I mean, why would they take bodies and clean it all up?
Or someone who doesn't want to be found, maybe.
Nah, it's somebody who knew that we would fucking be here. And it's freaking me out.
Yeah. Same here.
Let's take it slow. Do not bunch up. Keep fanned out at all times and do not pick up anything that you did not bring with you. Copy that?
Copy.
Copy.
All right, let's move.
I do not like this at all.
Hold up, hold up.
Man, it's just some weird insurgent graffiti.
No, that's not the local language, Plant.
So they're creative with their tags, so what?
Just consider for a second that it might be a warning.
Yeah, so was blowing up Malloy.
Hey, Cap. Brooks here wants to call this mission on the account of some weird insurgent hieroglyphic shit.
Brooks.
That's what I thought.
You getting something?
I mean, I think so. There's just these weird green energy signatures everywhere.
What do you mean?
It's this weird distortion. It's not on any visual spectrum that I know.
What do you mean?
Just hold on a second. Fuck.
What are you seeing? What are you seeing?
It's blood. There's lots of blood. It's everywhere. They wiped it clean, but there's traces under this UVA light.
How do you wipe dirt to clean up blood?
But that's not just it. There's these green energy signatures here, but they're not on any visual spectrum that I've seen before. I don't know what it is. That's what I'm telling you.
Radiation, right?
No, radiation doesn't make defined tracks like this. There's this shit. There's this.
What the hell is that?
I don't know, but it's the same shit that I saw blow Malloy apart. It's the same stuff I saw when Buckner was cut down. When I look at it through this UVA light, it's lit up like a Christmas tree, and it's those same green energy distortions.
It looks like the same sort of rock that impelled the enemy soldier.
Right.
Rocks? Y'all talking about rocks? This whole goddamn jungle's full of rocks. You want some more rocks for your rock collection? Here.
Everybody just keep an eye open. We're still on the clock, all right? All right. That's it.
Ready to light this bitch up, boss?
Absolutely. Let's lock and load. We're gonna make our ingress through that entry right there. Slow off. I need you to post up right here. Hold the 6 down. If you get any fire at all, you let that ass up fast.
With pleasure, sir.
And if we're not back in 2 hours for the extraction, I want you to go ahead and push south. Meet up with the chopper.
But Commander.
Meet. That's direct order.
Sir, yes, sir.
All right. Time to nut up. That's lock and load.
Clear! Clear!
Clear!
Clear! Clear!
Get it back open. We need an escape route. Radio's car off. We need a back door.
Sklar, Sklar, can you hear me? We're sealed in all of a sudden. Over.
I have no earthly idea. I heard those thuds and then the entrance just wasn't there anymore. Over.
I'm under attack. They're everywhere!
Calm down. Hold your water now. Hold your water.
Scar off. Sit rep. Over. I say again, what's your 20? Over.
I didn't hear anything. I got nothing.
Oh, the hell with it. Get back.
Carter, you okay?
I'll live.
Easy, easy, easy. What we got here? What do we got? Look straight through. You'll be okay. Can you move your arm?
Yeah. Doesn't feel like a party, but
I can use it.
Brooks, give me your bandana for a tourniquet. Brooks!
Smart.
I was just trying to... Shut the fuck up!
You just got your own goddamn man shot. You're making a bunch of noise. That fucking thing's not gonna make it dead anyways. Less ruckus, okay? Less ruckus.
Cat, can we hurry this up?
I got you. Wait till let me see it, okay? You still got one way out. I guess. On the side of the building. We are good.
That big ass mystery bird that caused it.
Exactly, and you're damn right. Look. The plan has not changed. It hasn't changed at all, okay? Keep your eyes peeled for any traps. Copy?
Copy that.
All right, keep Boston.
Falk, Brooks, go with Carter, head that way. Find Alvarez, we're gonna shoot to the right. If you hear anything at all, radio, we will be there. Copy that?
Copy.
All right.
This shit ain't adding up. Eyes up, watch your 6.
This place is bigger than it should be. Think about it, Sarge.
He's not wrong.
That room should be on the outside.
Uh-huh.
This is not good, boss.
Just try to keep it out of your minds.
This place is creeping me the hell out. The sooner we get out of here, the better.
Agreed. Look, I hate cramped spaces. I hate the dark. I hate being sealed in. This place has the trifecta. So believe me when I say, nobody wants to get out of here as bad as I do. But for now, let's just focus on the task at hand.
Room's clear. Over.
Copy that. Proceed ahead with caution. Over.
Let's move out.
From cave to green-ass vegetation. This ain't normal.
Cap. I don't like this at all.
You know that, tight feeling in your chest right before shit's about to get real?
Copy.
Yeah, me too.
How's that 6 looking?
It's clear, sir.
Nothing? We'll figure it out later then.
Shit, the fuck is this?
Carter. We found it.
What the fuck?
I've never seen anything like this before. Team. All hands on deck, all hands on deck. Do an upstairs sweep of the area, then head our way. If you got anything, radio quick. Over.
Cat. That hole.
Yeah. Look that way from the outside, but shit, we ain't getting through that way.
I was afraid of that.
Fuck.
All right. Just keep your eyes open for another way out. This is a no-go.
Think we found the reason why the lights are all still on, sir?
What you got?
Well, I'm not sure just yet.
All right, we'll keep searching then.
Yes, sir.
Falk, you okay?
Yes, sir. Just tense, I guess.
All hands on deck, all hands on deck. Over.
All right, you heard Adrian. Let's clear this last room and head back.
Just hold up just a minute, Sarge. You remember those green energy signatures?
Yeah, you got more of them?
Yup. But it's not just that. These are vibrant. These look like they were just made, or perhaps maybe they're still being made.
What does that mean?
Take it back. Give me that. Take it back. Take a seat. Oh, Fox! Take a seat. Fox, what's wrong with you? Fox, take a seat. Fox, radio entry. Fox, Cap, cock over. Fox, you see.
Brooks, what's going on?
Fuck! She's dead! She's dead! Fuck!
All right, eyes up, circle up.
Sarge, you can't just leave her here. She's dead. You can't just...
She's gone. We gotta go. Come on.
Captain, Fox is down. We're preparing to engage. Over.
Carter, hold on. Carter? Carter?
Cap!
I think it's Hops. Thank God. Come along, we'll find you, buddy.
Hang in there, buddy.
Hey.
This guy's barely got a pulse.
Shh. So you all right? You still with us?
No.
Stay up, Plant. Stay up.
No, you gotta get out of here. They're not human.
You're not listening to me. Save yourselves. Run!
No.
did he mean? What did he mean by that? They're not human?
Steady, Brooks, steady. Okay? We gotta keep moving. Come here. You see anything?
No, sir, nothing.
We'll reverse back down.
Copy.
Regroup with the others. Stay close.
Copy.
I don't want
Sarge. Sarge.
I don't want anything to happen.
Connor! Connor!
Ship appears to be about 40 to 50 feet tall, twice as wide in the wingspan. Hull is thick as hell, a couple of feet probably. How does this thing fly?
Gee. Brooks. Yeah, we're under attack. We're under attack. Sergeant Carter and Falk are down. I tried to reach you guys, but the radios are scrambled. I can't.
Where is Falk? Where is Falk?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Avros. There's nothing we could do. I tried to help.
Engage, buddy.
Enemy troops, all black armor, bulletproof vests. I tried to hit them from point blank range. They wouldn't even nudge.
Identify yourself!
Shoot, Brooks.
Oh, yeah.
Is this what you saw?
This is them. Yes, sir. This is them.
Okay.
Follow the ship! Follow the ship!
We might be headed to an ambush!
Follow the ship! Brooks, give me a hand! Brooks!
Cap, you can't be serious!
Don't you want to take this damn thing?
Ready? 3 on 3. 1, 2, 3. think we actually got a couple of minutes, but let's be quick in here. We got no idea what to plan on site.
Or in here.
You bet your ass. Let's go ahead and check the rest of the house now before we get overrun.
Whatever armor these guys have, I've never heard or seen anything like it before. What about you, Brooks? You're the tech guy.
No, a body armor that doesn't leave traces of being hit, it doesn't exist. I saw you hit this thing from yards away with 15 cal, Lieutenant Colonel. Cloth-covered body armor, you can maybe pretend like there isn't a scratch, but this is, I mean...
Careful.
Looks, baby. Do you have any intel and reports whatsoever about the insurgents having any type of technology like this? Anything at all?
Sir, none whatsoever.
We gotta think what the hell we're dealing with. Alvarez. Give me a hand.
It's not human.
Here's the rest of the ship. Well, the armor, the weapons, none of this is. Team, we've had no idea how important this mission really is. Brooks, document this.
What's that shit on its face, that metal stuff?
It's cybernetic components. You see the wires going down into the armor? Yeah, it looks like these things augmented themselves, or they've been augmented anyway.
They did to themselves.
It augments their senses, maybe. At this point, your guess is as good as mine.
Yo, guess. Guess? That's not what you were saying when you said that we should get in this goddamn spaceship.
Plant?
No, I'm sick of this shit, Cat. Why does this spaz get to call the shots, huh? Why do you trust him more than you trust me or Alvarez?
If he had to take the most luckiest shot of all time, that thing would still be firing at us.
How do we even know this damn thing is dead?
Yep. Dead.
Thanks, Mom.
All right. We need to hustle up and scout the rest of the ship. Front of the ship turns into a ramp, allowing us to make ingress. Hull is dimly lit. Appears to be a warship of some kind, which contained hostiles. Hostiles wearing black armor, possibly the same material the ship is made out of. Bullets are completely useless against it. Hostiles appear to be extraterrestrial in origin, as does the rest of the ship. The weapon system is far beyond anything we've ever seen. Small, marble-sized explosives. Weapon system capable of firing energy bolts and projectile blades. And I got a feeling I just took the iceberg.
I gotta be honest with you, Cap. I'm freaking out. I mean, maybe we shouldn't have come at all. All we've done is get more men killed.
Commander?
Yep.
I'm checking out the heat and energy spectrum aboard this ship. Those green energy signatures, I'm seeing the same thing on board this ship that we saw upstairs inside this building. It's everywhere. It's so dense I can't see anything.
The energy, the radiation, whatever it is, it's coming from this thing?
Yeah, that's what it seems like. Maybe aboard this ship, that spectrum is a way to tell where these things are, but...
This dude got some big-ass eyes, man. Shit, I'd probably wear a helmet and a face mask, too, if I was this damn ugly.
Or the tentacles don't bother you?
Nah. I've been on some weird dates.
So we found the ship. Or we're on the ship. Please tell me you got a plan, Cap.
I'll only play it right now. Let's go ahead and scout the rest of the ship out and find something we can use.
Cap. See something we can use.
Come on, no. Remember the last time we touched something? Remember what happened?
I'm just going through all the options that we have right now. Frankly, they're pretty goddamn limited from what I can see.
I hate to admit it, Plant is right.
No, absolutely not.
Even if we have them outnumbered, they clearly have the upper hand because they have the more advanced weaponry. And oh yeah, We stuck on their goddamn spaceship. Well, Lord knows how many of them out there or even in here.
And there's no way of knowing if we can find the front door and get out.
See? Alvarez gets it. Again. Thanks, Brooksy.
Plant, enough. Just everybody calm down, be cool. Listen, we need to scout out the rest of the ship, all right? We're gonna stay together the whole time. Keep your eyes peeled for anything and everything that could be of use to get us out of here in one piece.
Okay. We need that weapon.
No, absolutely not.
Anything to get the advantage, right?
Yes, normally, absolutely. Yes, you're right. But given the circumstances, the last time one of us picked up one of those alien weapons, he blew up.
Desperate measures, Cat.
You taught us that.
Alvarez, I've also taught you to be smart.
Cap, it's smart to at least try.
We don't touch anything unless absolutely necessary.
Alvarez, you with me?
Shoot these motherfuckers with their own BFGs. I think that's a great idea.
Absolutely not. Alvarez, do not touch.
Jesus. This thing weighs a ton.
Alvarez, put it down.
I'm just gonna shoot a round into the ground. Simple.
Alvarez, put that.
Nothing.
Alvarez, I got your back. We don't have. Screw that, Alvarez. Fire that shit up.
What? Put it, Grant.
You did this! You did this! Piece of shit!
Good, Cap, we gotta go play. It's okay. We gotta play. Let's go, Cap. We gotta go. Go. Move.
Stay close to the hallways and branches. Clear! Clear!
Captain!
Brooks at?
Shit, I swear I just saw him right behind me in the corridor a second ago. I mean, I didn't see the movement in between us. I swear I would have saw if there was movement. Fucking idiot must have taken the wrong turn.
Brooks, did you hear us say something?
It's just us two against these things now. Brooks, 3 if we can count, Brooks.
Brooks, do you copy? Over. Fuck! Shit!
where they crashed.
What now? Footsteps. Keep quiet. Get your top position.
Oh, it's me! Play, it's me! Stand down! It's me!
Fucking Christ, you almost got your face blown in 3 different directions.
You gotta see this. You gotta see this.
Plant, hold the door.
You gotta see this. I don't think that's one of the troopers we were trading with. He looks like an engineer or someone who was working on the ship. Everything indicates that they crash landed here, right? And there was something wrong with those panels he was working on. Look at this. There's a white bracket, red bracket. I don't know what this white bracket is. Maybe that's the destination where they're headed. But this red bracket, I'm almost positive that's the Milky Way. That looks like the Milky Way, and that's us. That's where the crash landed.
Sure.
Way off course.
Positive.
If I'm right, yes.
Hey, well, maybe they didn't come here to wage war. Do anything sinister like that.
What about all those American soldiers that they slaughtered? I call that pretty damn sinister, wouldn't you?
Well, there's something else I gotta show you, Commander.
Looks we ain't got all day.
I lit off a flash bomb upstairs in the building. That's the only time I've seen one of these things get paused, which had me thinking, what's the one constant in this entire ship and in the surrounding building? It's dark. It's low light. They have compound eyes. They can't see anything. I took a flash pic of the thing without the helmet. He reeled back like he was almost hurt or something.
So we can use these to disorient him.
Yeah, well, what I'm hoping is we can maybe surround him and keep letting off these flash bombs and let off another one every time it starts getting its bearings again.
Right.
Well, and that's the problem, Plant. Obviously, we're gonna have to get up close, try to find seams in their armor, which means we have to engage up close.
Flash bombs. And we need real explosive, not some flash bombs.
Well, on that last point, I picked up their explosive. Those marble things that blew Malloy apart.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
All right. Chances are we're only gonna get one shot at this. So we gotta make it count. It was an honor and a privilege serving alongside both of you.
I don't like it.
That's the plan.
Why? Because this jerk-off says so? I'm not going along with that plan. All-out assault is how we're doing this. That chopper will be here in 15 minutes. We gotta move. Fuck!
What are you doing?
No, come on. God, what are you? God, what's wrong? Are you here? Damn it, fuck.
I need you to be calm.
Sir,
I know. It's bad.
I'm going to bandage you up.
I think I'm well past the first aid at this point.
Huh?
I think I'm at the first aid point. One of those fuckers pop out again. Put myself out. It's time. Anyone's got a good enough chance of getting out of here.
It's gonna be your figure, right? Well, I think I might have one plan, sir, but it's a long shot. Sometimes the best ones, Brooks. Sir, just let me fight with you. My nerves are gone, I promise. You know how long I've been training hand to hand.
You know that's not gonna get you out of here, Brooks. It's not gonna get your ass out of here. Look, you're gonna get out of here, okay? I want to give you enough time to do so. When you get back to HQ, yes, sir. I want you to give him this. Look. When you get back to HQ, you give that to him along with your photos. Get everything in it, okay? I'll give you enough time to it, okay? Just make the most of it.
You make a big bang yourself, Lieutenant Colonel. All right?
Oh. You bet your ass. You bet your ass.
Come on, motherfucker! Come on, Vic!
You don't breathe, do you? Yeah, just like you said, Commander, full force. You crash landed here. I knew you did, and we just fired on you first, but you were just trying to fix your ship. And the warnings outside, I saw them. I knew. I ignored them. You killed all those men, though. You killed my commander. And with our first unit and then us. Obviously, you thought we just won a war. Which means there's just the two of us left. So we either gonna fight or call a truce, and I got nothing left to fight you with. I couldn't even fight you if I could. Good luck.